Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today, Bitcoin's downturn has us right on the edge, with price movements shaking things up. Can you sleep well at these times right now? Now let's break down the latest and see where we might be heading next. So, after round-tripping on my initial trade, I held steady despite today's dip to $67,400. While that took some by surprise, I stayed in my position and even used this opportunity to open a second long with my sub-account at $68,569. Now I was eyeing that 1-hour green dot on the chart for a possible entry after the bullish divergence showed up. But I decided not to chase it right away, avoiding any falling knife scenario and letting my primary trade stay open. With the markets reopening Monday, I'm anticipating positive action from Bitcoin ETFs. They've been vacuuming up supply daily, and that could give us some momentum going forward. On the 4-hour BTC USD chart, we've got a new green dot, a solid signal for a long entry if you're not in one already. We're seeing the VWAP moving upward in a convex shape, indicating some powerful momentum brewing here. Combine that with an RSI reading of 38.8, we're clearly in oversold territory. So for those of you waiting to jump in, this looks pretty compelling as an entry. And if we look at the liquidation heat map, it suggests we might dip just a bit lower to hit a long liquidation pocket at $67,000. But overall, I'm confident holding my positions here, particularly as we're now in Q4 in the final stretch of a halving year. Historically, that's bullish. And don't forget the big players like BlackRock. Just last Wednesday, when Bitcoin was hovering around $70,800 to $72,900, they scooped up a staggering $872 million in BTC. Now remember, there's typically a day's delay in these reports, which means they might have been buying even when BTC briefly dipped to $68,500 and all the way up to $73,500 on the 29th of October. Today the price is back down in that range, so let's keep an eye out for another potential buy-in from them at these lower levels. To sum it up, I'm expecting some support from ETFs on Monday, with potential momentum pushing us back toward recent highs. But keep watching that heat map level at $67,000 and the VWAP curve on the 4-hour. Those indicators will give us clarity on whether this dip is a momentary pullback or the start of a more sustained push. If you're tracking this like I am, stay sharp and stay ready, especially in these final days before the market opens. And as always, if you want these insights real time, jump into my free Discord for updates, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay ahead of the curve. And see you in the next one.